Your Lordship, if
Mr. It is not a moot court.
yes, Lord.
Huh? You must know your limitations. This is an instruction which has come from Bar Council of India. Now, these instructions, prima facie, do not offend Article 14. Yes.
Your Lordship, my name is Abhishek Sharma. I am fifth year law student from ITM University. Currently, petitioner in person in present writ petition.
Who are you?
Law students.
What brings you here?
Sir, I am aggrieved by the BCI rules. BCI rule.
Which rules?
BCI rule part 4 rules of legal education rule 25, which states that minimum requirement of internship, which is 20 weeks for a 5-year law stream, 12 weeks for 3-year law stream. These are two.
How much for the 5 years?
5 years, 20 weeks. And these are 2008 rules, BCI rules. Now in 2014, BCI issued a circular which marked as annexure A1, P1, Your Lordship, page number 10, which states that the law students are only allowed to go to the internship during vacation period only. So, Your Lordship, the academic period for every college is different, Your Lordship. If you we see page number 14, the academic calendar of my college is semester break is 18 to 31st December, Your Lordship.
Maybe. How does it make a difference?
Your Lordship, the court holidays and my vacation period clashes, Your Lordship. So when I get vacation, the
your vacation is for how long?
Your Lordship, only 12, 13 days.
The High Court is closed for 4 weeks in the summers or 2 weeks in the winters, but other courts do function. You can go there also.
Your Lordship,
but only because it does not suit your convenience. The rule is not bad.
Your Lordship, page number 12, I have annexed the calendar of High Court, and page number
Mr. Gentleman,
yes,
if your vacation clashes with the High Court vacations
and subordinate courts,
maybe, but this by itself would not render the circular bad, because once we test the constitutionality or validity of any rules, regulations or any subordinate legislation or executive instructions, this is done on the touchstone of Article 14 and not on the basis of the individual's convenience.
Your Lordship, I am not asking for make the rule ultra virus. I am only saying that the rule is incomplete, Your Lordship. Because if a BCI...
So you better go and make a representation there. Why should we get into it?
Sir, Your Lordship...
we do not exercise any advisory jurisdiction. It's a constitutional jurisdiction unless the document challenged suffers from constitutional provisions or violations of any constitutional rights. One can give indulgence, but not otherwise.
Your Lordship, it directly affects the preamble of the Constitution, Your Lordship. So, Your Lordship, if
Mr. It is not a moot court.
Yes, Lord.
You must know your limitations.
Yes.
This is an instruction which has come from Bar Council of India. Now, these instructions, prima facie, do not offend Article 14. It is maintaining judicial discipline and legal discipline both. If your college happens to have the same period of vacations, that would not be a ground to invalidate it. That's all. WP number 2331 of 22. A large student is before this court taking exception to this circular dated 11/9/14 issued by the Bar Council of India, addressed to registrar of all the universities imparting legal education, principals of all law colleges, and secretaries of all the state bar councils. Under the said circular, it has been informed that students can only take internship during vacation. Bracket में academic session is not on, closed. Therefore, universities, colleges have been directed that henceforth they should send their students for internship to the law firms, senior advocates, only when there is a vacation of university of the colleges. So, upon reading of the aforesaid circular, we see no reason to, we see that the isn't क्या कहता है clashes with the working of the High Court लिखा है ना the upon perusal of the aforesaid circular, we find that the submissions advanced is misplaced. So, and misdirected. Even otherwise, if the said circular is tested on the anvil of Article 14, we are of the view that the same does not offend the rigor of Article 14. मैं ऐसे एस्टेंडर्स कर दीजिए. The said circular, even if tested on the annual Article 14, is found to be in conformity thereof. So, if law students are required to undergo internship when the academic session is not in session, when the academic session is not on, no exception thereto can be taken. Instead, it is in aid of the law students who will not have to sacrifice their academic sessions for the purposes of completion of the internship. Consequently, WP is devoid of substance, accordingly dismissed.